Due to continued economic disruption and the rising cost of goods, predicting scenarios and machine conditions at each step of the value chain has become critically important. To start, we must focus on the shop floor, eliminating inefficient uses of time, energy, and resources. Well, easier said than done. But recent advancements in artificial intelligence have given rise to new potential that few manufacturers have yet taken advantage of. Enter Valiot's AI-powered technology. Our manufacturing application collects data from all information sources and administrative systems, analyzes it, then generates actionable items for the most optimal production output. The result? Less bottlenecks, less errors, and less waste, which converts to increased throughput, service levels, and revenue generation. Valiot's case studies range from bottling to steel to chemical and even food manufacturing, each showcasing how Valiot's AI enables plant managers to quickly identify and alleviate production bottlenecks without having to uproot existing infrastructure or equipment. At Valiot, our story starts with you. Our team consists of engineers and designers with decades of manufacturing experience. This edge empowered us to design a state-of-the-art user experience and interface tailored to your business and workforce. We've been featured in MIT News, Supply Chain Digital, Yahoo Finance, and a few others, showcasing our innovation and thought leadership. Visit our website and book a demo today to learn more about our solutions. We hope you join us on this journey into the future of manufacturing.